Ladies and gentlemen, this is Ben Green reporting live from Snowmageddon, Jasper, Tennessee. We got Ranger out there. How's it going, Range? Yeah? You don't even know where to pee? You're like, what's this? What's this cruel joke? You don't even want to go in that stuff, do you? No, yeah. We're gonna go check on our friends at Phillips Furniture, make sure they're okay. Snowmageddon. Ready to go? Thanks, Snowmageddon. It's nice and cold. Here. What are you barking about? Looks like our friends are staying open during Snowmageddon. Raise the gas prices. Snowmageddon. Everybody's okay at T's Diner. It's good to see the town is still intact. Snowmageddon. Corvettes are still coming to town. Snowmageddon. What's that, Ranger? You're worried about Stacy?
Hey Ranger, this is Stacy. Thanks for being concerned, but I survived the 2022 Snowmageddon.
Snowmageddon 2022 definitely impacted the Shoney's restaurant. Snowmageddon 2022, I'm out here reporting. We found our first damage. An overturned porta potty. It's damage like that. That's a stark reminder we must take all of these drastic weather advisors seriously. Stay safe, Jasper. Jasper Post Office is still open. Tina's hair salon seems to be doing okay. What a relief. Our buddies at Phillips Furniture are open. They're taking orders.
Hey Ranger, this is Brian. I survived Snowmageddon of 2022. Thanks for your concern, brother.
The whole town is still in one piece. Good job, buddy. What do you think? You're happy? Ranger's happy. Thanks, everyone. Snowmageddon 2022. Not as big of a deal as we thought.
Snowmageddon